AI is changing technical writing. But is AI going to replace technical writers? Or is it going to create new career opportunities for those who learn how to work with it? The answer may depend on how we choose to develop our skills. For years, the technical writing career followed a familiar path: technical writer, senior technical writer, lead, and manager. But the AI era is creating a new progression: technical writer, AI-assisted writer, AI-augmented writer, AI native content professional, content engineer, information strategist. This doesn't mean traditional technical writing skills are becoming irrelevant. They are becoming the foundation for something bigger. If you're a beginner, don't try to learn every new AI technology. Start with the fundamentals. Learn technical writing, information architecture, documentation tools, product understanding, audience analysis, and how to work with SMEs. Then add AI literacy. Learn how to use AI for research, brainstorming, drafting, and review. But, most importantly, learn how to validate what AI produces. Your goal should be: become a strong technical writer who knows how to use AI responsibly. For experienced technical writers, the opportunity is different. You already know how to create documentation. Your next step is to move from author to workflow designer. Don't ask only, "How can AI help me write this document?" Ask, "How can AI improve the entire documentation lifecycle?" Explore AI-assisted content planning, reviews, maintenance, automation, structured content, RAG, AI agents, and modern documentation workflows. The goal is to move from simply using AI to designing workflows around AI. And managers have an even bigger responsibility. The question isn't simply whether your team is using AI. It's, what should the documentation team look like in 2 years? Managers need to think about people, processes, technology, governance, quality, and metrics. The role can evolve from managing a team of writers to building an AI-enabled content organization. So, what happens to technical writing jobs? Some repetitive tasks will require less manual effort. Some existing roles will change. And new opportunities can emerge around content engineering, knowledge systems, documentation automation, AI documentation, content architecture, and information strategy. The important shift is from simply producing content to engineering information that can be used effectively by both humans and AI systems. The skills you'll need will depend on where you are today. Beginners should build strong fundamentals and AI literacy. Experienced writers should add automation, structured content, AI workflows, and knowledge systems. Managers should develop AI strategy, governance, team capability, and business alignment. The next 2 years can be a significant period of career development. The future technical writer may not be the person who writes the most documentation. It may be the person who best understands people, products, content, AI, information, and automation. AI doesn't have to make the technical writing career smaller. It can make the career broader and more strategic. And you don't have to navigate this transformation alone. Join Tech Writers Tribe's 25,000+ technical writing community and continue learning, sharing, and preparing for the future of the profession. Stay connected with Tech Writers Tribe. Get benefited from the community of your fellow professionals. Follow us on LinkedIn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Scan QR code to view detailed article and tips on career growth.